Hello, dear Aquarius. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And this is a reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. So keep in mind these are general love readings. So it might or might not resonate with you. Uh, take what resonates with you and leave the other part. Okay, and the energies can be reversed as well. Okay, the roles could be reversed as well. Let's start. So Aquarius, let's see your partner's current energy right now. Your partner's current energy right now is Aquarius. Your partner's current energy right now is Wheel of Fortune. I feel like your partner is leaving everything on the universe. So Wheel of Fortune, they are feeling exactly. I feel like this person is feeling really very lucky to have you in their life, Aquarius. Okay, so I feel like this person is leaving everything on destiny, everything on the universe, everything on the spirit guides or whomsoever you feel like is there is your guide or spirit guide or whatever you think of them, angels or something. So I feel like this person is feeling lucky to have you, and this person right now is leaving everything on the universe and they are trusting the universe. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. They are feeling like the tables are turning in their favor and everything is happening according to them. Okay, let's clarify. And they feel like they're very lucky to have you. Yeah, beautiful energy. Let's see. Let's clarify. Okay. Seven of Swords, the Three of Swords. Oh my God, the Ten of Swords. Okay, 10, 3, 13, and 7, 22. Emotionally unstable, very emotional, very emotional and moody. And yeah, I don't know what to say again. So I feel like this person, there was some kind of secret or there was some kind of self-deceptive energy towards them that broke their heart, okay? And they're feeling like the worst is over now. They felt backstabbed or betrayed by you at some point of time. They felt like there was something that came out in light. Might be there was a self-deceptive energy, or they suddenly realized that they love you or they have lots of feelings for you. But there was something that came out in light. There was some kind of secret that came out in light, and that broke their heart completely. They were completely shattered and heartbroken. But but I feel like this person now is in this energy of the worst is over now. They can start all over again, and that is why right now they are feeling they are leaving everything on the universe and they are leaving everything on the destiny. They are feeling lucky because they are feeling like the worst is over now and everything is going to be good. The tables are turning in their favor. This is what their current energy is right now. Okay, I don't feel like this is connected to this connection, but right now in general they are feeling like the worst is over, or this could also be possible that is connected to this connection only. But they feel like the worst is over, the fight is over, the conflicts are over, and now everything is happening good. Okay, let's see what is your current energy, Aquarius. Aquarius, your current energy right now is Aquarius, your current energy right now is Five of Wands. I feel like you are going through internal turmoil. You are going through some kind of conflicts. So this is the Five of Wands energy. You are feeling very unstable. You are feeling in the conflicting energy. You are conflicted from inside. Might be you're fighting with this particular person, or might be this is a fight with yourself only. There is something that is bothering you a lot. Okay, and you are in this conflicting state of mind right now, Aquarius. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Why are you feeling like this? The Knight of Wands, the Strength, and the Seven of Wands. So I feel like you are going to reveal to this person that you are very passionate about them. Okay, you are you are trying to reveal this person this, but you are holding back. You could be dealing with a Leo. Okay, so you are trying to hold back because you are feeling very passionate about this a particular connection, about this particular person, and you are going to act very defensive towards them. Okay, there is something happened. There is something that happened between you guys, and you are feeling like you should hold back as of now. Although you are very passionate about this particular person, you are trying to hold back your emotion, control your emotion, and you are trying to act defensive. You are trying to act standing your own ground and taking your own side. You're not ready to compromise in a situation. That is why I can feel like right now you are in this conflicting state of mind, conflicting energy going on in your energy, in your aura. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, Aquarius. this person's feelings for you are, let's see what is their feelings, what are their feelings for you right now. Let's see. Five of Pentacles. I feel like this person is feeling like that you left them in the cold, you left them hanging on the wall, you left them in the past. They are feeling like they should you will walk away someday, or they will walk away someday. Right now this person is very very fearful about this connection, Aquarius. To be very honest, they are feeling like they're feeling like there is some kind of disaster will happen in the future. Okay, they're trying to walk away or sneak away, or you are trying to, or they are feeling like you are going to walk away from this connection, or you are slowly walking away from them. There's something that is not working out, Aquarius. I was hoping this reading to be a very beautiful reading, but the results are shocking to me as well. Okay, let's clarify why are they feeling like this. Knight of Swords and the Two of Wands and the Moon. Okay, so this person is trying to slow down everything. This person is in this energy of, I don't want to rush into anything. I will wait for the right time, because they are in this fearful energy right now. There's a blockage in their intuition. They are concealing their emotions. They are trying to hide their emotions, and they are feeling like if I will rush into something, there will be disaster for sure. Okay, that is why this person is feeling like right now they should walk away, or that right now they are feeling like you left them in the cold. Right now, there is some kind of negativity here. There's some kind of toxicity here that is making them feel like you will leave them, or you have already left them, and you are making them feel like you know uh, uh, left out or hanging or something like that, betrayed, something like that. Okay, let's see what this particular person wants from you, Aquarius. What this person wants from you. Gosh. So I feel like in their current energy, when I was telling you about the Wheel of Fortune, there is some kind of secret that is coming out, and they are feeling like this is the worst that could happen to me. But they will eventually, stand up, and they will, be in a in that phase of their life. Okay, the worst is over. Now I will start my life all over again, and they are living everything on destiny. Now I can connect with this situation. They are living each and everything on the destiny. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Ten of Swords. What kind of reading is this? I'm just shocked. Okay, this person wants the wars to be over. Okay, so listen to me very carefully, Aquarius. So I feel like this person wants the wars to be over from your side. This person wants the answers for the betrayal, the answer for the coldness, the answers for the detachment. So this person is feeling like you left them hanging in the on the wall in the past, and now this person is feeling like there's still something left that is not over yet, and this person wants this unfinished business to be finished as soon as possible. Okay, they want to have a brand new beginning after this shit thing will be completed. So they can feel like there's conflict in your energy, and they want this conflict to end as soon as possible. Gosh, all my cards. Okay, give me a second. This is very intense. So let's clarify. Okay, the Eight of Swords, Queen of Swords, and Knight of Cups. Okay, they want you to come out of this conflicting situation, because you might be acting really weird, really cold, really detached, and you might be acting a little what should I say, blunt. So I feel like this person wants you to be really very very clear about your intentions, that you love them or not. Okay, so they want a clear cut answer from you, and they want to come out of this mental jail, mental conflict, whatsoever you are going through. So this person wants you to come out of that situation, and to be really very very clear and honest and blunt, and to communicate with them very very properly, and not to hide anything from them. And they want you to emote properly. They want you to tell them that you love them, and they want you to be very very clear and honest with them about this situation, about this connection. Okay, this is what is like what they want from you. Gosh, this reading came out exactly the opposite that I was thinking. See, but cards never lie. Never. I've never seen any wrong reading for myself from last 3 years. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of June. Aquarius, I'm really sorry. I don't know what is happening. What to expect from this person till 10th of June? Heartbreak, heartache, breakup, going back to their cave, not coming back to you, or, hurtful situation. So there will be a breakup till the 10th of June. I feel like that. Gosh, this is very conflicting. Let's clarify this Three of Swords. Why are they going to do like this? Why are they going to break your heart? Let's see, Aquarius. King of Wands, Three of Cups, and the Sun. Uh, I feel like Aquarius. I'm not sure about this. That this is not going to be true for everybody. Obviously, I feel like this person is passionate. That your person is feeling passionate or physically very very attracted towards somebody else as well. There is a third party here. There's somebody else also in the equation. This is Three of Swords. This is Three of Pentacles. Three of Cups. So three. Two threes in the same clarification and thing is a clear indication of third party situation here. So I feel like this person is going to find their happiness in someone else, or they are feeling very very passionate, or at least very very sexually attracted towards somebody as well. And they want and they feel like happy, they are going to feel happy with this particular person. They are going to feel happy for the, might be just for the time being, they're going to feel like that. But for the time being, I feel like this person is going to enjoy the other party's company. This person is going to enjoy the third party situation in their life, because they are feeling very very sexually attracted towards them, physically attracted towards them. I feel like I right now I don't feel like any energy of love towards the other party, but yes, there is somebody else in the equation, and they are feeling really really passionate and happy with them. And that is why they are going to break your heart, because I feel like this person wants to go towards another person for the time being. I don't know about the future, but yes, for the time being I feel like this. So gosh, this is a very very intense readings, Aquarius, and thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I hope this will open your eyes and you will make wise decisions in your life. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.